Hey Songbird, mixed voice can be a real mystery, and that's why only some get it. But today, we are going to solve this mystery together, and you're going to learn exactly what it is and how to do it. Now make sure you watch to the end of the video for a very exciting announcement. So what on earth is singing in mixed voice? It's the ability to perfectly blend your chest voice and head voice together so that you hear one seamlessly connected voice that sounds strong, is powerful, and feels free and easy. But this requires a lot of coordination. Too much chest voice and your voice gets really heavy, which makes it super hard for you to move through to your high range flexibly without cracking and straining. Too much head voice and your voice gets way too light, making it hard to connect and ground your voice.
How will I know if he really loves me?
Here's what we're looking for.
How will I know if he really loves me?
And here's an exercise to help you with that coordination. We're going to sing goo goo in a strong head voice, and then we're going to move into go go in a very light chest voice, like this. Goo goo go go. You come with me. Goo goo go go. Goo goo go go. Goo goo go go. Well done, Songbird. Now that exercise is a great place to start, but we're just scratching the surface. If you're really keen to master your mixed voice and perform in public with confidence, why don't you join me in my Master Your Mixed Voice online group course? Here's what you'll get. A weekly 60-minute live masterclass and Q&A with me. Personalized feedback on your singing via video coaching. Full lifetime access to my How to Sing in Mixed Voice program, beginner, intermediate, and advanced levels. Access to a private Facebook group so that you can connect with your classmates and ask questions. Click on the link to find out more and enroll now.